Razer recently launched the fastest or most responsive mouse in the world named Razer Viper 8K. This gaming mouse is the world's first mouse that comes with 8000 Hz polling rate. This device is an improvement from the Viper versions, which was released in 2019. The exterior of this gaming mouse is also very similar with the previous Viper versions. The main upgrade of this Razer Viper 8K is the lower latency level, which is an important part of the gameplay. This gaming mouse has been tested to a large group of esports athletes, with most of them claim a smoother and more responsive movements during the testing, thanks to the Hyperpolling Technology on the mouse. More responsive with Hyperpolling Technology. So what exactly is the polling rate? This is the number of the frequencies at which the device sends data to the PC. Maybe if it is on television, it can be said that polling rate is similar to refresh rate. The current mouse standard is 1000 Hz or 1000 times per second, while Razer Viper 8K has 8 times higher number than the standard mouse.